Learning languages, basically in our school, the languages, special languages we learn is only English. As Bangla is our mother tongue, we do not need to study it separately. So we had a good fun time at English classes. Our teachers were very good. We used to have chorus in rhymes. We used to have quotes from very big persons, and also we read novels, child novels, and that's how we learn English in our classes, especially middle classes.
What do you think would be the hardest language for you to learn?
Sir, basically I tried French in my bachelor degree, that separate communication skill, to build up a separate communication skill. French is quite tough, but from my understanding, from purview with other students and other communities through social media, I heard that German and Mandarin both are very tough to learn.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.